Hi, I am Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi guys, I like to show you my Hot Wheels and other toy car collection. Sorry if some of them are a bit faint. It's because I love playing with them on the ground outdoors. I love cars ever since I learned how to play toys. Whenever my loved ones ask me what I want for my birthday or Christmas, I always ask for Hot Wheels. My favorite Hot Wheel is Volvo 850 Estate. The Volvo 850 Estate is vaguely based on the race-winning Estate. Aside from Volkswagen Beetle, I dream to drive Volvo in the future. How about you? What's your toy collection? Hope you like it. Bye!